How to get 70% off Frontier Airlines coupon code. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Now here you're going to find the search box. Type in Frontier Airlines coupon code and then search for it. Different website links will appear. Navigate to this one website option, couponfollow.com, as this is the legit website where you're going to find tons of offers and deals for Frontier Airlines. Once you're on the website, just scroll down and check out the offers. 75% off, 20% off, 90% off, and many more. Head towards any of the offer that you want to grab, just go ahead and click on it. With that, you're going to get the code for it. Make sure you check the expiration date of the code, whether it is valid or not. If it is valid, copy it, then click on Redeem at Frontier Airlines. You'll be directed to the official website of it. Once you're on the website, you can go ahead and log into your account, book your flight or a trip, and then proceed to checkout. While you are in the checkout page, you're going to find this section of codes. Over there, type in your code and confirm it. With that, you're going to get the discount. Likewise, you can also give a try to other offers, as in this website, you're going to find amazing offers for Frontier Airlines. Lastly, head back. Once you're in this website section, you can also try out this one website, Simply Codes, as this is also the legit website where you're going to find amazing offers and deals for Frontier Airlines. So this way you can easily get up to 70% off working coupon code for Frontier Airlines. If this video was helpful, smash that like button, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.